everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica and I make videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. So if those things sound like something that you might be interested, then please consider subscribing because I'm quite sure that you will enjoy my other videos. But today I'm doing something a little bit different. I am reviewing a jewelry brand that I recently discovered, and that jewelry brand is Italo jewelry. So today I'm going to be unboxing some of the beautiful pieces that Italo sent me. I quickly want to say a big thank you to Italo jewelry for sponsoring this video. They contacted me recently and wanted to send me some pieces of my choosing to show you all here on my channel. And of course, your girl cannot turn down anything that sparkles. So I was like, let's do it. This may be a sponsored review, but you all know that I always share my honest thoughts and opinions on my reviews. So that being said, let's just jump into this video. So who is Italo jewelry? Italo is an awesome website to get beautiful, blingy, sparkling to the gods jewelry that would normally cost you thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars at just the most unbeatable, attainable, affordable prices. We're talking a range of like $100 to $150 here, like super affordable. I was personally like shocked when I started looking around their website at their pieces. When I was going through the process of choosing what I wanted, they have so much variety. They've got wedding band sets. They have like cocktail rings. They have men's rings. They have bracelets, necklaces, and earrings, and it's all just like incredibly gorgeous. Everything is so affordable considering that their pieces are made from sterling silver and sapphires. Basically, what Italo's vision is to bring their customers incredible jewelry at an affordable price. These pieces are not real diamonds, but you will see when I show you, they could pass for it. I mean, unless somebody's really going to inspect it, like an actual professional jeweler is going to inspect your pieces, nobody on the street is going to look at this and think fake. I love jewelry like this for traveling, especially for my real wedding ring and engagement ring. Sometimes I don't like to travel with those because I just would rather not have anxiety worrying about if something happens to them. So in the past, I've gone on Amazon and bought like cheap imitation rings, and they always just like looked terrible after wearing for a couple days. They would turn my skin green. So I was excited to sort of look through here to maybe get a new option for that looks a lot more quality. So if you're someone who travels a lot and you want to sort of maybe have that peace of mind, leave your real wedding jewelry at home, but still have something pretty to wear, this is a great option. It's also really good for people who are on a budget. Maybe you can't afford an incredible, like a crazy diamond engagement ring. These pieces are high quality, they look expensive and beautiful, and they will get the job done. Like I said, like no one's gonna look at these and think they're fake. Who else this might be good for is if you're, say, pregnant and your fingers swell up when you get pregnant. I've had friends that this has definitely happened to, and they couldn't wear their engagement and wedding ring for some time during their pregnancy because they were just so swollen. So if you still like want to have something to wear during that time period, something like this is a great thing to grab because then you can still have something really pretty and sparkly on your hand. It's not like a huge investment and still wear it maybe on a different finger after everything goes down. Like I said, they don't just sell rings, they have earrings, necklaces, bracelets. So whether you're looking to treat yourself or a loved one, you will definitely find all different types of styles and colors and variations. There's something for everyone there, and that is what I really love about their site. They also offer free shipping, a 60-day return policy. If you guys want to go ahead and check out their website, of course I will have it linked in the description box below so that you can go in there and look more in depth on their return policy and all that technical stuff. The other great thing is all of their pieces come with a 1-year warranty. You're pretty much guaranteed that anything goes wrong with your jewelry for any reason, it is covered. All right, let's get to this unboxing, shall we? Here is the packaging. It is absolutely beautiful. It's a very like sturdy cardboard, and it's got this beautiful blue satin ribbon accent on there. It just really elevates the packaging so much. You guys know I'm a sucker for good packaging, and this is so luxe. It's got like this sort of like magnetic flap closure right here. Inside, when you open, you'll see there's these two little mesh jewelry pouches that you can use to store your jewelry in. They've also got a silver polishing cloth in here for you so that you can use to wipe your pieces if you need to clean them a little bit. It also includes the certificate of authenticity of the sterling silver, their 1-year warranty card guarantee here, so there's more information on that for you. Also include a care guide. Basically is like mostly common sense stuff, like use the polishing cloth for the best results, clean your jewelry with care, use warm water to clean it, and to avoid cleaning damaged jewelry. Also got their 30-day return policy in here. So here is the inside of the box. It's got two of the Italo jewelry boxes in here. What the jewelry box itself look like, it's very luxe. It's like this sort of satin, blue satin satin with the silver Italo jewelry across the front. The first piece that we have here is two-tone triple row created emerald wedding band. Close-up of that. This ring retails for $139. It is labeled as a wedding band. I would never wear a style ring like this as a wedding band. I like it more as sort of like an accent piece to wear with other jewelry. It's just so big and so blingy. Total stone weight on this ring is 8.25 carats. Of course, it is sterling silver and features white sapphires and these green sapphires here. My birthstone is emerald, so I've been looking to collect more emerald pieces to add to my wardrobe. Obviously, this is not real emeralds, and real emeralds are incredibly expensive, but no one is going to look at this and think that those aren't real, possibly. It just is so shiny. It's so pretty. The setting is so gorgeous. And I love that it's got some gold in the setting as well as silver. That way when I mix my metals, which I often do, this kind of coordinates with either gold or silver jewelry, so I don't have to worry about anything clashing. I've been wearing this pretty constantly since I received it, and it has not yet affected my skin in any negative way. It does not give me any sort of reaction, turn it green. So I do really feel like these pieces are what they say they are. They're high quality silver that will not irritate your skin, and that is a huge, huge plus. Second box that I have in here is the second piece that I chose, and this is the classic emerald cut created aquamarine engagement ring, and this beauty retails for $154. Wow, look at that blue stone. How pretty is that? Of course, this ring is also sterling silver, and center stone has a carat weight of 14 carats. It's got this really big blue colored sapphire in the center, which is the 14 carat one, and then on the sides it's got all these fine small little white sapphires. Insert a video of it in the sunlight and you've got that fine beautiful detail, which is what I love in jewelry. It's what I think makes pieces like this look really, really special. I also ordered this in my size, which is a 5 3/4, but it feels a little bit loose, and I think that could be because of the weight of the stone. Who knows, maybe I could have gone down a little bit, but my fingers swell and like shrink so much, like even on any given day. So it's kind of hard for me to know like what my really true ring size is. This one doesn't feel too bad. It does feel a little bit loose. It's totally not like a deal breaker. I think this would be such a great piece to wear if you're like getting all dressed up, about to go like out on the town, if you're putting on like something really fancy. This is a beautiful, beautiful piece to pair with anything like that. Or if you just want like a really big statement piece and you want to wow some people, this is definitely the ring for you. Going into my second box, the next ring that I'm going to show you, the Italo oval rose gold created white sapphire engagement ring, and it retails for $146. Now this one is absolutely stunning, and I bought this one with the intention of using it as my travel engagement ring. I also love that it's rose gold. I didn't get rose gold on my wedding jewelry, even though I thought about it, but for me I just felt like it might be a trend that isn't forever, so I chose rose gold for this one so that I can play around with that metal, which I also very much love, but just didn't want to commit to for my lifetime. This oval cut stone is a 5 carat stone and is set in this rose gold with smaller white sapphires on the band. How gorgeous is that? Wow. This piece would make a beautiful engagement ring just on its own. Like I said, if you're not quite able to go for diamonds, to go for the real thing at this point in like your life, something like this is a great, great option. It looks stunning. You can see the way that the stone is cut. It is cut just as brilliantly as my diamond is. The last piece is a bracelet, and just to open it here, this is the Italo Golden Princess created white sapphire tennis bracelet. It retails for $127. Total stone weight of this bracelet is 5.75 carats. Tennis bracelets are a classic piece that any lady might like to have in her wardrobe. You can never go wrong with them. Here it is. I'll show it to you outside in the sunlight. You can see how it just dazzles. It's so beautiful. It looks so beautiful on its own, but I know it's going to look really pretty stacked with some of my watches or my other bracelets. This piece would be a great gift idea for Mother's Day, which is coming up, or if you're looking to gift someone special in your life, but a ring is just a little bit too advanced. That concludes this video. Again, make sure that you head down to the description box if you want to shop these pieces. I will have them all linked down there, as well as the link to the Italo website. And if you do go ahead and shop, be sure to use my code MORE20 to get you 20% off of their site. Their prices are already slashed by like up to 65%, so you get additional 20% off. So it's a really good savings. So make sure that you use my code, get yourself something pretty and special and blingy, or get something nice for someone you love and show them what you care. Thank you all all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I hope you all have an amazing day wherever you are. Stay safe, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.